Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a surface area of the solid metallic sphere is 2464 centimeters square. It is melted and recast into the solid right circular cones where radius is 3.5 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. So the radius of the right circular cone is 3.5 centimeter and the height is 7 centimeter. Here we need to find the radius of the sphere and then we need to find the number of cones recast. So first find the radius of the sphere. So the radius of the sphere formula is the surface area of the sphere formula is 4 pi r square. So substitute the given surface area, which is 2464 equals to 422 by 7 into r square. So just move that 4 to left hand side. So if you multiply it, 2464 by 7 will get 17,248 equals to 88 r square. So if you divide both the sides by 88, will get 196. So 196 is equals to r square. So if you take square root on both sides, r is 14 centimeters. So we can conclude that the radius of the sphere is 14 centimeter. Now find the number of cones recast. To find the number of cones recast, we need to divide the volume of the sphere by the volume of a circular cone. So first find the volume of the sphere, volume of the metallic sphere. The formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is 4 by 3 into pi into r is 14 cube. So 4 by 3 into pi, the 14 cube is 2744. So if you multiply 4 and 2744, you'll get 10,976 pi divided by 3. So this is the volume of the sphere. Now find the volume of a circular cone. So the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here the radius is given, which is 3.5 centimeter, and the height of the cone is 7 centimeter. So if we substitute this radius and the height here, we'll get 1 by 3 into pi into r square, which is 7 square into 3.5. So if you simplify this, we'll get 171.5 pi divided by 3. Now find the number of cones. Number of cones recast equals to the volume of the sphere divided by the volume of the cone. So volume of the sphere is 10,976 by pi 3 whole divided by the volume of the cone is 171.5 pi by 3. Now cancel out the pi and 3. So we have a 10,976 by 171.5. So if we divide this, we'll get 64. So we can conclude that the number of cones recast is 64. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.